love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today in the entire Python family it is chapter 58 and in the NumPy it is 17. So the last chapter we saw about the data distribution. So we actually saw in a particular street there are 3 pizza restaurants, and in a particular time, like all 3 pizza restaurants open at say 8 a.m. and then they close at 10 p.m. So we actually, other than many pizzas being sold, we actually kind of figured out that there are cheese pizzas which are sold maximum at 8 to 10, and cheese pizza is also sold in the noon. And there are many pizzas like pineapple pizzas, so wherever which mushroom pizzas, vegetable pizzas, pepperoni, wherever you are, depending upon that country, that culture, that food, cuisine culture. Some persons I've also seen chicken pizzas, many. So all these data is all these items are part of the data, and how many times it is actually distributed by the time frame, like 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, by the like cheese pizzas starting at 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., and then 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Those distributions, how many times the data has been distributed, comes as a data distribution. So we saw that. All right, so in this chapter what we'll be seeing is a random permutation. We also saw that how everything, the probability 0 to 1, and when the 9 in the previous example that we gave never repeated, you can actually go and check again. So this is how it actually happens. So the random permutation is basically, it's a permutation refers to arrangement of elements. Okay, a 3 to 1 is a permutation and combination of 1 2 3 and vice versa. So we can actually do a shuffle and we can actually do a permutation. Okay, it's like either you can actually put it as 1 2 3 or 3 to 1. Both the things are same. How do you actually shuffle and how we are actually doing it? So shuffling the arrays means changing the array arrangement of elements in place that is in the array itself. So let's actually take this, and then the shuffle method makes change to the original array. So let's actually go here, let's actually do this. So from NumPy import random, import NumPy as NP. This thing we saw, only this thing we're actually doing as a new thing. So the array, this is a one-dimensional array, and then we say this random dot shuffle. So instead of 1 2 3 4 5 shuffle, and then print me the result. This is what we are doing. See here, it gives me 2 5 3 1 4. It's the same thing. It never gave me a number called 6 or a 7 or the number which is not available here. It only gave me all the numbers available. So this is the shuffling, and this is how we are doing. We import this random, we do this, and we take care of this. That is what we are actually doing. All right. Now when you want to generate permutation of arrays, okay, the permutation methods returns a rearranged array and leaves the original array unchanged. So let's actually see how this is. Okay, so permutation and combination, right? We take this, we do this. Okay, from my NumPy I actually import this, and then this, and then this is my array, and then I say random permutation of my array. Okay, so when I actually run this, same thing. Okay, so it's not the same thing, it actually gives me this thing, so it does not change this. So this is the permutation and nothing has been changed here. All right, so see here, a random permutation of elements of the following array. So this is what it is. The permutation methods returns a rearranged array and leaves the original array unchanged. Okay, so this is what the permutation is. So this is a very short lecture. I trust you have actually enjoyed it. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time. The other is my wife Jayashree following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, thank you, take care, and cheers.